I'm Katie, founder at Eatiful, the non-diet weight loss program based on mindful eating. My mission is to help people lose unwanted weight. I know what it's like to carry excess weight and to be unhappy about it. I know that losing excess weight can be hard and upsetting. When I was bigger, I used to wake up each day with a sense of regret. Regret that I had so much weight to lose, but never seemed to be able to make a change. And that was until I discovered that mindful eating could help me lose weight while enjoying food more. So in this video, I'm going to share why mindful and specifically slow eating works for weight loss, discuss why we eat for reasons other than hunger, and explore how to eat when we're the right level of hungry. First up, why mindful eating works for weight loss. Mindful eating can encompass many things, from eating slowly to savouring every single bite to being more conscious around food choices. I think every aspect of mindful eating will aid weight loss and weight management, but I'm going to zone in on eating more slowly. Studies suggest that eating quickly is associated with a number of negative health outcomes, such as weight gain, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Eating too fast to chew your food properly can, of course, cause indigestion and discomfort in the stomach and malabsorption of nutrients. So if eating too fast can cause weight gain, then eating slowly can reverse it. Eating slowly helps you notice when you've eaten just the right amount of food for your body. Plus, of course, it helps you to digest it better. Eating more slowly will stop you from wanting to eat more food to get the nutrients that your body craves. Eating slowly can be a helpful strategy for weight loss, as it can help to decrease your overall calorie intake and really promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction. When people eat slowly, they tend to feel more satisfied with their meals and are less likely to overeat. Eating slowly also allows the body to better register your fullness signals, which makes you feel fuller for longer and can help prevent overeating. Plus, it helps you enjoy that food more. According to an Eatiful survey of people who wanted to lose weight, 47% pay no attention to how quickly they eat, and only 7% of people said they were slow eaters and chewed their food at least 20 times. The headline we look at that in this data is that if only 7% are eating slowly, a mind-boggling 93% are either eating too fast or paying no attention to speed. And we know that those who aren't slowing down are probably eating too fast. Let's take a deeper dive into the science behind slow eating and why it works to aid weight loss. First up, it takes time for the stomach to send a signal to the brain that it's full. If you eat fast, you'll be eating food after the point at which your stomach is full, but before the point at which your brain has registered the message. If you eat slowly, your brain has time to register the signal for your stomach that it is full sooner. Ultimately, if you always stop when you're full, you will eat a lot less food than if you continue eating after the point of fullness. The result of noticing you're full sooner is that you will be able to stop eating sooner. You will stop eating just before or when full, and not after you're full. Stopping when full means your body has had just enough food. Repeating this process whenever you're hungry teaches your body that there will always be food available. Your body will be less inclined to store excess food as fat. Eating like this all the time means that your stomach never gets overstretched. As a result, you will crave less food and need less food to feel full. You will stop putting on weight because you're eating just the right amount of food. And as you learn to be satisfied with less food, you will lose weight. But why do we eat like this all the time? We don't all eat slowly, and we don't all eat mindfully all of the time. In fact, we often eat for reasons other than true hunger. It's often when we eat for reasons other than true hunger without thinking that we eat too fast. But imagine if we only ate because we were truly hungry. We'd likely eat far fewer calories and gain less weight, right? There are many reasons why people eat aside from hunger, and these include physiological issues like hormonal changes, environmental issues like boredom and lack of time, social issues like established meal times or traditions, and emotional issues like low mood or stress. Then there's also eating for other people. Some people eat to make other people happy, consciously or unconsciously, and some people eat to save waste or to be polite. Many of us have been brought up to believe it's polite to clean their plate. Indeed, some parents still teach their children this today. I believe clean plate syndrome is a huge cause of overweight and one we really need to challenge. There are a whole host of reasons why any of us eat on any day. Often we eat without thinking about why we're eating, assuming we're physically hungry. Delving deeper into our own true reasons for eating will help us understand ourselves better and will help us to stop eating for reasons other than true physical hunger. So when should we eat to aid weight loss? We should, of course, eat when we're hungry and not when we're not. But how hungry should we be? Is it possible to not be hungry enough or even to be too hungry when we eat? Hunger is something that most people think they understand, yet many of us rarely consider the varying levels of hunger that we experience. Understanding levels of or degrees of hunger can help us make more informed choices about when we eat, and in turn can help with weight loss. Hunger plays a significant role in weight loss because it affects how much and what types of food we eat. If you're feeling super hungry, you may be more likely to eat more quickly, eat more food, or make less healthy food choices. On the other hand, if you're not feeling very hungry, you may be more likely to remember to slow your eating so that you feel fuller sooner, eat less food, and lose weight. It's best to never be too full and never be too hungry, to aim for a balance in between those two extremes. Having established that you're actually hungry and not eating for other reasons, you should eat when you're in the hunger zone. Here are the core principles. If you're not hungry, don't eat. If you're a little hungry, wait to eat and ensure you're experiencing true hunger and not thirst, boredom, or a desire to change your emotions. When you're hungry, eat. Don't wait until you're very hungry, and don't let yourself get ravenous. By never allowing yourself to get too hungry and by never allowing yourself to get full or overeat, you will ensure you eat the right amount of food for your body. It seems like this simple trick is too good to be true, but I did this and I lost 85 pounds. I still use mindful eating today to maintain my weight, and I know this method is working for countless other people. It could work for you too. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about mindful eating for weight loss, and in my next video, I'll be sharing my secret mindset hacks for your weight loss journey. You can find out more information about me and my non-diet weight loss solution, Eatiful, at eatiful.co.